We learned a lot of everyday items throughout the week. Let's take a look at those what were. In Master Azerbaijani, we have weekly recap. Let's see what were those words. We had Masa for table, desk, and dining table. We had Yataq, which was for bed, riverbed, and oddly enough for mineral or oil deposit. We also had the word Divan for sofa, which can also be used for council and poetry collection. We had Mebel, a little bit more straightforward, furniture and furnishings. And then we had Oturacaq for seats, chair, benches, and then future tense, he or she will sit. We had another straightforward television and TV. And then we had Lampa for lamp and light bulb. How can we be without that joke uses? We can't. Let's start. I cleaned my masa so well that now I can't find anything. Or my weekend productivity hack is simple. More time in Yataq. Of course, the lampa burns out the moment I start reading. If procrastination had a throne, it would be my divan. Or my wallet starts crying the moment I whisper Mabel. Quiz time? Yes. Which word also means riverbed? Drop in the comments below. Don't worry about the letters that you may not have, which in this case, I believe you will not need for any letters that you may not have in your keyboard. So otherwise, come back tomorrow because we're starting next week with new set of words. Because remember, if you keep coming every day, learning new words and new ways of building words every day, yes, that will bring you consistency, which will also give you fluency. Now, for deeper grammar, pronunciation, cultural, historical, and learning tips, I have masterazerbaijani.com where I post every 10 days. It's worth checking out. I also have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store. And that one will help you with learning Azerbaijani step by step. It has module 1 that is completely free and will give you the foundation you need to keep building with confidence. Check those out. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new set of words. Cheers.